Play some ambient music.
Of course.
Oh!
Oh! I looked away for 1 second.
That was pretty fucking funny.
Move the vehicle to the civilian. Get that vehicle out of the way.
Both mines have been blown.
Move the body! Move the body!
I am now moving the body. Oh fuck!
What a beautiful wife. Ozzy, what happened there?
Well, listen, I don't know anything about computers.
I have no idea.
So, good work. Hell yeah. Alright, let's get on the bounce here.
Oh, fuck.
Put you guys on point as you should.
Oh god. Man down.
Alright, once our memories are fucking calmed, we're gonna start moving off here to the south. 190. Put.
Microphone activated.
Rifle.
Mito, your laser's clipping the crater.
Rifle,
You need to
think
move
that's
like a
going the way you
little
want
bit
it.
forward. Oh Jesus!
That laser's that's bust. I'm going with rockets.
That was close.
Yeah, copy. Just hit that APC.
I'm not drinking and driving. I'm driving while I'm drinking, right, boys?
Coming up here, you are going to take a right-hand turn.
Oh, boom! Oh Jesus Christ! IEDs, fucking. Oh god. Okay, fucking. There are bombs on the fucking the road.
Hey Oz,
Yeah.
how your pants?
Back doors.
Shut my pants.
The
goddamn
fucking lollipop.
He's kissing people, just giving a little
I
smooch.
fucking despise that noise.
You should have heard it when he was healing me.
Fuck you. I have to listen to you guys lighting up for 30 seconds. Whatever. Fuck you.
Do we need stitches or?
Moose just killed himself.
What? 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 Oh! Run!
Move. We got a mask, guys.
I'm lining up a cigar.
Surgical performance surgery on your ass right now.
Thanks, babe.
Listen up.
Got contact.
Jesus! Who's longer fire your fucking grenade?
Yeah, what an idiot!
Aussie. Aussie.
Well, I don't
need a
know.
medic.
User left your channel.
Stand by Thatcher's health.
That might have been a whoopsie, but we don't know who done it, so no one look for him.
Oh, we know exactly who it was.
Allegedly.
You that's
I watched you pull the
Expedite.
trigger.
you didn't.
I literally heard it behind
Call out more than contact. Call it.
I know I was mad.
Stop shooting grenades, cunts! Seriously, Jesus.
Alright, 360 up here, guys.
God.
Come from any fucking direction.
That's Scottish. Oh my god.
That was me. Yeah.
Stitch Scottish 30 seconds.
We got multiple cars. Oh, those are from the LAVs, I think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
South.
Yeah, that's friendly.
Forwards, we got eyes on friendly reinforcements in that LAVs and Badger coming in from our south.
Oh, hello. Watch out.
That's a rocket.
RPG?
Contact.
SU-25, somebody get some Strellas and shoot that down.
Don't run me over, cunts. God damn it.
Ozzy, I seen it. No,
Ozzy got run over.
Whoops.
Spread out, spread out, spread out.
I need
No,
to medic
I
on
was
my position.
fucking-
I got one.
Yeah, should dig in, man.
Holy shit.
Enemies? Funkhauser, a ranged guy. First.
I'm working on your chest, Oz. I know you're muted, but...
Oh, those were front of the LEDs, I think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a non-bang it.
1, 1, 1, 2. Don't push out far. Just get a little bit.
Off.
IED just took out Sergeant Major.
Like, I never even noticed the farmers.
Inshallah, brothers.
Hey, hands up, motherfuckers.
Whoa, whoa.
Contact's out, real close.
Whoa.
Hands up.
Whoa. Oh.
Oh, no!
He pulled out something.
Right.
You just had a pair of binoculars.
Allegedly.